Today, we are going to explore the world of Dart, the programming language behind the magic of Flutter. So, here is what we will cover in this video. First, we will start by learning what is Dart and its main features, and then we will create a simple Hello World program in Dart. Ready? Let's go. So, let's start with what is Dart. It's a programming language developed by Google in 2011. It's the brain behind Flutter, the toolkit which we use to build beautiful and high performance apps. Think of Dart as a super versatile tool that's easy to learn, fast, and perfect for modern app development. Currently, the stable version of Dart is 3.6.0. Alright, now let's go through some of its cool features. First, object-oriented. Dart is an object-oriented programming language, means it is based on the concepts of classes and objects. This makes it easy to model real-world problems. So, if you are familiar with any other object-oriented programming language like Java or C#, then you will not feel much difference. Second, type safe. Dart is strongly typed language, means every variable must have a defined type. Third, cross-platform development. With Dart, we can write code once and run on multiple platforms like Android, iOS, web, Windows, macOS, and Linux. This saves time and effort since we don't have to write separate code for each platform. Fourth, ease of use. Dart syntax is very clean and simple, similar to other popular languages. This helps beginner to pick up quickly and experienced developer to switch to it with ease. Fifth, fast performance. Dart is super fast. It is compiled to native machine code for mobile and desktop, and it is compiled to JavaScript or WebAssembly for the web platform. This means our app will run lightning fast. Sixth, rich built-in libraries. Dart comes with a bunch of built-in libraries that can make our coding life easier. For example, we can use Dart Math library for performing mathematical operations. For handling asynchronous tasks, we can use Dart Async library. And for handling I/O operation, we can use Dart I/O library. And lastly, null safety. Dart helps prevent common programming bugs by ensuring variables can't have a null values unless explicitly allowed. This makes our app more stable and reliable. Now, let's create a simple Hello World program in Dart. For that purpose, let's open up Visual Studio Code. Click on this new file option and type hello_world.dart. While entering the file name, just make sure all the characters are in lowercase and the words are separated by underscore character. Now let's hit enter to create our file. Okay, click on create file. Now let me grab the code. Now let's understand this program. First, we have this main function. This is where every Dart program begins. Every Dart program must have a main function defined. Okay, and we are using the built-in print function to print this hello world text to the console. Okay, now to run this program, we just have to click on this run option over here, which is above the main function. And if we click on it, as we can see, hello world is printed to the console. There is also another way to run this program. We just have to go to the terminal window and execute command dart run and name of the file. In our case, it's hello_world.dart. And if I hit enter, as we can see from the output, hello world is printed to the console. And in this way, we have successfully created and run our first Dart program using Visual Studio Code. Now, if you want to learn more about Dart syntax and experiment with Dart language features, but don't want to install anything on your machine, then there is an option. you can use an online editor called as Dartpad. We can just write our code over here and click on this run option and execute our code, as we can see over here. So you can use this to play around with Dart and its features. And that's it. So in this video, we learn what is Dart, covered its key features, and also created a simple program in Dart language. If you want to learn more about Dart and Flutter, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Flutter playlist for more Flutter content. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!